ninjas, one of the Project Zorgo safe is open!
Finally!
Yes!
Look at this!
Let's examine it!
What's inside? Whoa!
What is that?
White something. Ew! All burnt. Oh! The safe went kaboom when we threw it in the pool. This is all that's left of it. Can't even tell what it is.
We destroyed what's inside?
No! Wait.
What's that?
Are you guys seeing this?
Project Zorgo! Project Zorgo has a logo?
It says PZ5.
What? Remember we found on the bottom of the safe PZ5 on the bottom of one of them?
We exploded PZ Foomf's safe?
Sorry, Foomf.
What is this? They keep saying whatever's inside the safe is gonna defeat Project Zorgo. Is this it? But it's melted?
Maybe it's this card right here.
Yeah, it looks like an ID card of some sort.
Oh, what?
What's it?
I got a notification. I put a tracker on the leader, and every time he talks, I get a notification so we can watch what he's saying.
PZ Foonf, you must wear your Project Zorgo uniform at all times.
I wanted to play Toy Story.
PZ Foomf's dressed as an alien?
Wait, why is
That's
he?
Foomf?
He got in trouble for that.
Foonf, give me your hand.
Oh! The leader did that to PZ9 that one time. Oh my gosh. He's such a finger breaker.
That's scary.
Your mission is to steal the Spy Ninja's new gadgets and return them to me.
Yes, Master.
What? Not the Project Zorgo voice morpher.
No.
Not my secret message spy pen!
Not my Spy Ninja noise enhancer.
PZ76 and 44 will watch you.
I don't need babysitter.
Finish the job or suffer the consequences.
Yes, Master.
We can't let Project Zorgo get these. We're gonna become more powerful with our gadgets.
Yeah, these things are awesome. We can't let them have them.
Maybe Foomf will know how to open all the safes because this is his safe!
This is something awesome.
I want to see what that looks like before it melted. If we go approach Foomf right now, he hates the Spy Ninjas. How do we get him to like us?
We're genius. Foomf was wearing an alien costume from Toy Story.
So?
We dress up as Toy Story characters. We say, hey, Foomf, want to play Toy Story with us? He likes us so much that he just gives us the code to the safe.
Yeah, that's really good because he's not very happy with the leader right now ever since he got demoted down to the video game division. We could convince him to help us.
That's a great idea, Regina.
Thanks.
I got a great idea for my costume, you guys!
Ooh.
There's a snake in my boot. I didn't get the cowboy boots. Don't show that.
Oh, whoops.
To infinity and beyond!
Wow, Mr. Potato, you're missing your eyes.
Has anybody seen my eye? Oh,
Daniel.
Mr. Potato Head.
Mrs. Potato Head.
Lipstick. Oh, hey!
Oh! It's one of the funnest toy ever, the Rubik's Cube!
Yeah.
It's not even in Toy Story though.
Sure it was. It was in the bin in the back and they never played with it.
See, Woody likes you too.
Yeah, you can hold my Woody.
V is always so abstract.
I appreciate the art, but we're on a mission.
I'm just trying to think outside the box.
You're inside the box.
Well, now I'm out, okay? Spy Ninjas, give this video a big thumbs up right now if you like my costume.
Yeah.
Well, V, I really like your costume. I like it so much that you know what I would do? I would turn my phone up this way and look underneath the video, and if that subscribe button was red, I'd click it, make it turn gray, because that's the way to be a Spy Ninja and a fan of V. All right, does everybody got their gadgets with them?
Yes!
Yes.
But what if Boom tries to take them?
Well, we gotta be careful, but it's just Foomf.
And we might need them on our mission, so let's just bring them with. Foomf won't get them from us. We're too smart for that. Let's go.
Foomf, we gotta find him and get the code from him.
It's gotta be around here somewhere. We gotta get those red safes open. Once he sees us in our Toy Story costumes, he's gonna want to play with us, and he'll give us the code.
Yes. Wait, there he is, there he is. What?
He's wearing the alien costume. Let me see what they're saying with my Spy Ninja noise enhancer.
PZ76, I don't want to go on mission. I want to play Toy Story. Just shut up. We're on a mission. Take me to leader.
He's in the Toy Story mood right now. This is perfect.
PZ76, he's not gonna be too happy to see 4 Spy Ninjas here hanging out.
I don't know. I think we should go and talk to them.
Hey, you get out of here. I got my nunchucks here. You better back up.
You tried to steal my noise enhancer.
Hand it over.
You don't like us snooping on your conversations.
I guess not.
That's right. Hand it over to Project Zorgo and we won't have any problems.
To infinity and beyond!
PZ44, I got some beef with you.
Well, I'm gonna mash your potato.
Hey! Oh, my nose! I got a stun star with your name on it, man.
You zap that thing right out of my hand.
That's right.
I'm gonna get you.
No, I'm good. Oh, man.
I'm gonna get you once and for all, Spy Ninja.
You're not. I got another thumb star.
Yeah. Oh, what do you got there? I got a ninja gadget as well. Oh, we got a fancy pants here, huh? All right, well, check this out. Hey! Oh, Buzz Lightyear don't like that buzzing.
Stung by the snake.
Wolf, I don't want to battle you. Let's just play Toy Story.
Nein, we must battle. Run, the claw.
Oh no! I'm gonna go into turtle mode.
Nein.
Attack me now, Foom. See if you can.
Oh. 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 I have your Rubik's Cube.
Foom, I don't want to fight you. I'm coming at you now, Foom. Stay down. I don't want to battle royale you. Let's just play a game. Oh my gosh. I can't. This thing sucks.
You stupid Rubik's Cube. You're not even dressed as Toy Story, man.
This is a toy?
It sucks. I'm the green alien.
I thought you liked me.
Nine. Bring it on, sister.
No one wants to fight me? I guess I am holding the camera.
PZ76, I see you, man. You hurt my friend. Now I'm gonna hurt you. Oh, shoot. B, we gotta get Chad. Chad.
Okay?
Oh,
Buzz Lightyear got buzzed.
Oh no!
Yeah, these nunchucks, they're not powerful enough against the stun batons that guy had. I got an idea.
What?
I'm gonna head to the DeLorean. I'll be right back, guys, okay?
what are you gonna do with them? I wonder what his idea is.
He's trying to be like us, Daniel.
He's trying to make a little ditchery-do of his own.
Yeah, he's trying to be inventors like us.
Oh,
you know?
Whoa. Hey,
Boom.
Hey.
Why you dressed up as Mrs. Potato Head?
Hey.
We actually came to the park to play Toy Story challenges.
Yeah, we love Toy Story.
Yeah, you wouldn't want to join us, would you?
I don't like you guys, so I don't want to play.
Hey, Foom, I have something that belongs to you.
We actually have your red safe. The Project Zorgo red safe.
I've been waiting for it. It's not on Prime, so it take a long time.
Oh.
The safe. Do you know the code to open it, right?
Of course, I know all the code.
You know all the safe codes?
It's fine into Turtle. That's really valuable information. We need to convince Foom to play this with us.
Yeah, Regina, every single red safe Foom knows about.
How did Foom find that out? Are they all the same code?
Maybe. Hey, Foom, if we give you the safe back and you play the Toy Story challenge with us, will you give us the code to the safe?
Yeah, but only if you give me Spy Ninja Noise Enhancer and Project Zorgo Voice Morpher and the Spy Pen. I'm bad.
I don't want to give him all the cool gadgets we made.
Yeah, I know, my spy pen. I just made it. Your voice morpher. We don't want to give that away.
No way. I worked so hard on it.
Look at this guy. Are we really gonna lose a Toy Story challenge to him? Ha! We're gonna win, keep these, and we're gonna get the code to the safe.
Let's do it.
All right, Foom, we accept your challenge.
Yes.
Yeah, take me to Pizza Planet.
I'm gonna fix these nunchucks and turn them into something a little more stunning. I've got some tools in my DeLorean here. First, I need to give these a little different look. I think black and red would be really good. I'll use some black tape here, and I've got some black paint. A little bit more. A little more tape. Monkey wrench. I need to put a Spy Ninja's logo on here. I think I've got a little stamp. There we go. Stamp that right on there. Look at that. Wait a second. PC-76 had stun batons. I need something a little more stunning, if you know what I mean. Jumper cables. Yes. DeLorean engine, very powerful. Do not try this at home. Hooked up some jumper cables. Red, positive. Got it. Negative. All right, let's test this out here on Mr. Squiggles. I'm sorry, Mr. Squiggles, but I gotta see if this thing actually works. 3, 2, 1. It worked a little bit, but I need more power. All right, I charged it up a little bit more. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh! Hackers are not gonna like this. I think I'm gonna call these the stun chucks. But wait, there's more. They're not just nunchucks. They turn into a stun baton as well, just like PC-76. Ha-ha! Better watch out, buddy.
Introducing ugly toy car versus ugly boy car.
Hey! Regina's is ugly, but not mine.
Regina's Reggie Racer is great, Daniel.
It's my new version. I updated it.
Regina, you control ugly racer. I control ugly Daniel in his car.
I'm gonna pull you?
Yeah, come on, Danny boy.
Oh, what is this?
It's a race. Let's go. Whoever goes down the obstacle course, come back here. Winner! Winner! Track first.
Regina's Radical Racer, you're going down, you hear me?
Daniel,
I like to win challenges, V. Let's do this thing.
you ready for this, Regina?
I'll be controlling the Reggie Racer. I got this. Come on, Woody. You can beat Foomph.
Go, Woody.
3, 2, 1. Hit the tape.
Come on.
Oh,
Go, Daniel, go!
round the corner.
Whoa!
Downhill we go.
Come on, Reggie Racer. Go faster. Gosh darn it.
Around the cone. Oh, that was beating us.
Come on, Regina.
Go on turbo mode.
We're doing a good job. We're doing it.
We can't let Foomph win.
Daniel!
Sorry.
I should be able to beat Daniel. He doesn't even go to the gym.
You suck, Daniel!
Okay, time to go off-roading. Round the cone. Go, 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 go.
Gotta get around the cone.
We're beating the racer.
Go, hurry!
Go, go, go.
Daniel, hurry, you suck!
Are you getting heavier?
Daniel!
I passed him.
Daniel!
Oh, Regina's beating us. Go, go, Regina.
Yes! Yeah! You did it!
He threw a cone. I was just about to beat him. What a cheater.
We did it!
That shouldn't count.
Yeah!
We overtook you, Regina.
Reggie Racer won.
I won with Stinky Boy!
Wait a minute.
You didn't win. You cheated. You little cheater.
Did I want to beat Regina?
Yeah!
Wait, that means Foomph won the challenge and the Spy Ninjas lost?
Yeah! Do it with me!
I don't want you to get our ninja inventions, and I want you to give us the code to the safe. I should have lost on purpose.
Hacker coming! Hacker coming!
I'll hide behind this tree.
Play dead! Play dead!
What are you doing with these spy ninjas?
I picked them up! I picked them up!
Would you knock them out or what?
I beat them in the Battle Royale!
Did you forget the mission? The noise enhancer. We finally got it. Success. All right.
I get the other items! You go back to Project Zorgo headquarters!
All right. Well, at least we got something.
The Spy Ninja Noise Enhancer.
And we're gonna tell the leader that we got it, not you, fool. Let's go, 76. Good job beating up these spy ninjas. See you later.
Good. They're leaving. That actually worked.
They took the noise enhancer?
Yeah, they took it right out of my ear. Boom, you went along with it.
I'm done! Let's keep playing!
You
Come,
suck.
and you cheated.
What's going on, Toy Story people?
Oh.
Chad, they took my Spy Ninja noise enhancer.
Who did?
The hackers. And Foof just let it happen.
Come on, Foof, we're playing Toy Story with you. You should be nice to us.
Yeah, respect the challenge.
Why are you here? No one likes Buzz Lightyear.
Everyone loves Buzz Lightyear. See? Daniel loves him.
He's the most popular character.
Yeah.
To infinity and beyond!
Oomph.
Chad, where have you been? We needed you in the race, man.
Yeah, Chad, where were you?
I came up with the best invention ever. I mean, you guys' inventions were cool, but mine's pretty cooler. I'll show you a little bit later when it's needed.
I want to see.
You're gonna be stunned.
Next challenge.
Wait a second.
There's hackers right there. They've got the ninja noise enhancer.
I can even hear your thoughts.
Hey, that's ours.
Oomph, what are you doing?
I'm Buzz, remember?
I thought he was on our side this time.
9. We're gonna get your gadgets and throw you in the dumpster.
Oh, the dumpster's not that bad, guys. I mean,
Daniel,
Chad,
come on. No.
that's bad.
okay.
It's time to battle.
Oh, let's get him.
Hey, hold on. I don't even need you guys to fight. Look what I built. Wow!
Whoa!
Yeah! It'll stand a chance against us now.
Dude!
You made those? Oh my gosh, how did you become such a great inventor?
Those are sick!
You think you can beat me with that little gadget? I got a big old back!
Hey, it's not the size of the gadget that matters, it's how you use it.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Nice,
Now
man.
I'm gonna take out 76.
I hear what you're saying.
Yeah, because you stole our ninja noise enhancer.
My senses are heightened and my shocks lethal.
You're not the only one with shocking capabilities anymore, 76.
Stupid spy ninja. You only have one. I have two.
Oh, I don't just have one 76. Oh, now I've got two.
It transforms?
They're nunchucks too?
Oh my gosh. They're stun chucks.
Look at those blue things on the end.
Ain't no time for toys. It's time for a real battle. Oh, come on, bring it, Snake Face. They work! Yeah! Let's go!
That finishing move! He stunned him with a stun chuck!
Man, Chad's so hot right now.
He's not hot.
What?
He's on fire!
Oh, yeah!
I wish I had one of those.
Well, I want to look cool like Chad!
I'd use it all the time.
I want to use the battle baton, guys.
Yeah. I gotta learn how to do it first, but I want one!
The listening device. Where is it? Where is it? Give it back, man. Yes. Yes. We got it. Let's go.
That was so cool, Chad.
You like my new invention?
Yeah. Gosh, you invented the submarine. Now this.
I call it the transforming stun chucks. Where's PZ Foomf anyway?
You're lucky I broke my hand, or else I would have beat you.
Sure.
Broke your hand, really?
Yeah,
okay.
yeah. Give us the code to the red safes.
And look what I got. It's back.
Keep your promise to us. You wanted to see what's in the red safes too, didn't you?
I have confession. I don't know code to say.
What? You don't know?
So you're a liar and a cheater?
But I know where the code is located.
Okay. Where?
My neighbor has it.
Your neighbor.
Neighbor?
Who's your neighbor?
Hello, neighbor. Video game. Code to the safe is located in Hello, neighbor. We hack it.
Really?
We can't trust Foomf. He's just trying to get us to play video games all day with him and waste our time. V, you and I will go to the Black Pyramid and we'll try to find the safe code.
Okay, but I'm gonna stick with Foomf. I'm gonna see if he's telling the truth.
Okay.
Guys, tomorrow, me and Foomf are gonna play Hello Neighbor. We are gonna find the code to the safe and open it, right?
Yeah, and Daniel Stinky.
Okay, yeah.
You stink, Foomf. You better find that code for us.
Yeah, Regina, you come with too, okay? Keep an eye on this buffoon.
See you guys tomorrow.
Daniel Gizmo, kick bump!